Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. Are you in need of a little bling this season? Well, I definitely was, and I found this cute little project that gave me lots of bling. I love this. It's super easy to make. It's a little stand. I made this for my daughter and she really enjoyed it. Let me show you what you'll need. Let's head out to the Dollar Tree, get all of our supplies, and I'll show you how to make it. You'll need to pick up a pack of salad plates and a pack of dinner plates. These are found in the plastic section, kind of like the party section. And they come four in a pack with the dinner plates, and I think there's six of them for the salad plates. I think we have to go this way to get out. All right, so what you'll need in all pretty much is 2 packs of the crystals. You'll need your E6000 glue. This is fantastic to really keep things on. You'll also need these wooden cubes. These are also in the craft section. You'll need obviously your plates. There you go, your salad plates. There's 6 in those. And here are the dinner plates. There's 4 in a pack in that. And also you'll need a candle holder. This is for like a votive, but that'll go right in the center. So now what you'll do is you're going to put those wooden blocks, just get some super glue, or in this case I'm using my hot glue gun, and you can just put those in. This is going to create the space so that you can put those little crystals in between. Now, as you see here, I'm using the E6000, but you'll also see as the video goes along that I kind of alternate between my hot glue and the E6000. Okay, this is the salad plate. So you're going to want to do the same thing that you did with the dinner plates to the salad plates. Here's a little tip. Don't get any glue on the top of the plate because it's shiny, and once the glue hits it, forget it. The shininess just disappears and it's really hard to get the glue off. So now that you're done putting all your crystals on your dinner plate and your salad plate, you're going to want to prepare to put on the candle holder. So I wish I would have done this a little better. I would prefer if I had marked the center of the dinner plate. That would have helped. But also you'll see that I'm using the E6000 and the hot glue gun. I highly recommend using both. There you have it, guys. Definitely a little bling. My daughter loves it, and as you can see, it matches her light. It's perfect for the setting, and it's perfect just to give that little sparkle that we all need. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's another video I think you might enjoy. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.